So I'm going to show you 2 bad ideas and 2 good ideas. So 2 bad things is, one is, well, developers are losing jobs, and there's 2 reasons for that. One is citizen developers are starting to write pretty decent code and pretty advanced application. One application is Airtable, the other one is Coda, and we can create star schemas and things like that. And you can see what Coda doc is all about. Oops, well, I have to log out, I guess, to see the main screen. Yeah, so it's a way to create documents. But as you learn it, you can create schemas and things like that. So that's one bad thing is citizen developers, but also, people are sort of putting CSS and JavaScript. So the other part is people are just developing bad applications, right? So for example, this doesn't work with designers, right? Designers are not, if you have a waterfall technology, designers, waterfall and CSS and JavaScript and atomic CSS, you're sort of fighting designers. You're not working with them. You're not sort of being BEM. Let's look at kind of more in depth. So here is an application, but if you look at the view source, you'll notice that it is written in JavaScript with Webpack. So you can't see it in Google Webmaster Tools or SEO. For SEO, as you know, it looks the same as if you disable JavaScript. So what you can if you do static development like metabake, you can do that. I mean, it doesn't work in any Webmaster Tools. It's not going to work and pull up the SEO. So let's talk about 2 good things. One is, metabake is a tool for developers who, I guess, have lost their jobs and now want to start learning productive approaches. So one of the things that we have, one of the powerful tool thing is we have something called a tool belt, and I'll show you 2 things from there. One is lazy sizes. Lazy sizes is used, so you have a lot of images. You want to have a small image and a larger image. And so you can show a low resolution image and then upscale to a larger image using that library. Again, blog is an example. Metabake CLI does process images and will make a small image or a large image. And the other thing is, we can show you examples. So there's lots of places you can see really nice examples, CodePens and things like that. So I don't know when it even pulls up. But there's some really nice examples, but the example I'm going to show you is a metabake example. So if you go into the settings, in JavaScript, we're going to load the tool belt, and we're going to turn on Pug, and we'll use a component by the require. So we're going to require a survey component in Riot. After it's loaded, we'll populate it. So there's 2 questions. And here they are, and they show up. So again, I've showed you 2 bad things. One is citizen developers, and then the other one is people just writing bad code, like they don't support IE11, they don't write SEO code. Those are 2 bad things, right? So IE11, not using atomic CSS. I showed you good things. Is one is the tool belt has a lazy loader for images similar to the fonts, and then you can use sort of component in your CodePens, and there's lots of nice CodePen examples.